go with sport. Every time I'm going with the Mexican station.
What do you guys want to do? What kind of class do you want to do?
Let's do sports.
All right.
Yeah. Classic. No, sports. Sports. And then we'll do classic sports next.
All right. So hello, guys. We are doing some racing today. We're racing.
Wait. And then after we do classic sports, we'll just do our video.
I'm kind of recording like an extra bonus video. It's like a racing video.
Oh my god. I don't know what to pick.
I know, like really. Ooh, no. Ooh, this one's nice. You know what? You know what? This is one of the like.
They got the Sultan. Yeah, the Sultan line sucks, and that's just the RS.
The Sultan RS is way better, but that's more of like a rally car.
I'm on the Mexican state, yeah. Jake, what car do you have? I never felt there. What does AJ have?
I have the car Borzing. Let's go! Wait,
holy crap, Jake just spawned like right next to me.
The power of
Jake spun out!
Jake really spun out.
My car that he spun out.
Jake, really? Like, why?
Oh, move it!
Oh, hey. Hey, Tony! They're reenacting SpongeBob BC, really?
Are you serious?
Holy shit.
Take AJ out, man. Are you serious? I freaking flipped over. It's not even funny.
It's part of the. It's called the fun of racing.
No, it's not. You just can't drive. That's the only reason you're taking us out.
I can drive.
Well, that explains why you lost through like the 3 races. You take people out the whole time. Yeah, exactly. That's the only advantage he has.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. I would freaking be beating you right now. Dude, I would have been winning, but I kind of spun out.
That's your fault, Jake. Dun, 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 dun. I slid into
if AJ did not take any of us out, you didn't take anyone out, you probably would have lost. Wouldn't have won. He probably would have came in last.
Why are you all being dicks on me? Like, really?
Because AJ plays dirty. That was funny, because once the race before this one, I flipped him the first time.
That was fun.
He deserved it. Flipped him. Dude, we're doing a race. Doesn't matter. AJ, you shouldn't have won. That was just like no fair.
You're all being dicks. Jesus Christ.
You shouldn't even be on level 27. No life.
It's not no life. Have you seen people online? There's people on like.
My friend is on level 212.
Yeah, what? Yeah, Jake. What do you call that?
No life.
Exactly.
I'm going with some on Mexican station. Sports classic.
Guys, we're doing classics now.
Everyone's gonna go Z-Type. Yep.
Yo.
I think I'm gonna go Z-Type or a Monroe.
So, guys, who do you think will win this race? Jake, me, or Seth?
Probably me.
Wait, a Monroe's considered as a classic? Huh, I didn't know that.
Oh my Monroe is actually...
Looks like a nowadays car. Z-Type. Can you get chrome?
Ready for
I'm gonna get bronze. No, what? Yeah. Bronze, make it look like it's fresh from the past. I'm ready, Jake's not, Seth is.
Dude, I'm ready.
They kicked off his head.
Dude, I knew it. Please do not tell me about Z-Type. Everyone has Z-Type to find out. Yep, we all got. Does AJ have one?
Jake has one.
AJ's got a Z-Type. Yeah. Alright,
wait, I'm all the way on the... Wait, I thought I chose... Wait, hey, what are you doing? You're evil!
Hey, payback. Right, you get what you deserve.
I'm not being a dick, Jesus Christ. Whee! Oh my god, I'm gonna crash in a minute. Whee! So this is what grannies do for a living, I guess.
No!
Jake, did you spin out again? Wow! Jake, why do you keep spinning out on that turn?
AJ does not deserve to win!
You all evil.
Whatever we do, don't let him to win.
I'll try my best.
Why do you all hate on me?
Wait, it's not iron first. I'm not in first.
Yeah, I don't get that when it does that. I'm flying! I feel like I'm...
You're not. Alright, catch AJ.
I'm trying.
Why? What did I ever do? Oh, crap!
Yes, he missed. He missed.
You're all dicks, jeez. Of course Jake spins out. That's the thing, though.
Go see tape.
Come on, Vicky, type.
Jake, you're gonna lose.
Gonna lose.
Jake, you're gonna lose. It's because you spun out back there. That's the only reason you're gonna lose.
Dude, I'm gonna try to take you out, though.
Wee!
Missed the turn.
He missed, and I always spin out at that one. Doesn't matter. Even if you come in third, you still get a lot of money.
I know. That's the goal for this. And the audience is probably
I
having...
just got 20-30. 20-30. Like, really? Dude, I don't care.
Are we gonna do this video?
I'm recording right now, if anybody doesn't know.
Yeah, yeah. Bang.
I'm recording right now, because I'm...
After we should just do AJ, after we should do a, on remake.
Yeah. AJ.
Mm-hmm.
After this, you should put the category on like Coops or something.
We'll drive Mini Coopers.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Coops.
Mini Cooper.
Hey, really? What?
Let's go. I bet the only one, there's a Carbs. An Ocelot, a Lambdine. Oh, there's only... Oh, I thought there'd be a Mini Cooper. Oh, a Sentinel. I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready.
Did we all...
F620?
Why
Do we
not?
guys pick F620? Oh, me and AJ have the same card. Jake has AJ has the F620. Never mind. Me and Jake have different cards.
Hey, whoa. Are you guys taking each other out? Jake, what the crap? Jesus Christ, screw you! You're all both dicks.
Now you know how it feels.
Why are you being such assholes?
Go, Jake! Win it!
It's called karma,
Go,
Seth.
Jake!
Go!
Guys, it's called karma. Oh my...
Thank you!
You're welcome. Jake, it's called karma.
Take out AJ in second!
I'm in first. I can't.
Jake,
Go,
you...
Jake, win it!
Jake, you think the water's gonna save you?
Yeah.
Jake, what goes around that way? Huh, I go around this way for some reason. Oh my god! I'm still going!
Go, Jake!
Why? Like, really, why are you taking me out so much? Like, I didn't
That
take
was
you...
an accident move! That one was an accident! Oh my god!
Wee! I see Jake. I see Jake. I see Jake. I see him fly. Like, oh my, come on! That one time.
AJ missed it again!
I hate this bridge. That
Kennedy
one...
won the water! Go win it, Jake!
Oh my god. Why do you guys hate on me? You guys hate me.
Oh my god, it's a game. Calm your bone.
But it seems like you guys hate me.
Oh my god, calm down.
Shut up, Seth. You say the same thing.
Business!
Here it goes. Why do you guys hate me?
No,
Like, really?
AJ, payback from when you won. You always took us out, so.
No, oh no, guys, my game's glitched. Oh, there we go.
Alright. I'm not gonna vote.
I voted. That was the best.
I thought we were gonna do the video.
I'm,
Remember, AJ, how about you get the cargo box?
Jake, why are you being a douche?
AJ.
I got my money, man.
I'm out of here.
Replay one more.
Let's go to free play.
Don't, because then it'll put you in an online game.
No, if you exit, like, don't press the free mode button
Press B.
yeah, if you just
I
exit,
know.
it puts you back in your lobby.
Yo, I'm on level 13, almost at 14, so. Dude, that race gives you so much XP.
See, I'm in an online game. What are you people smoking?
I'm in my own game. I'm in the game I was in earlier.
By yourself?
BMX bike. Yeah.
Are you by yourself?
Yeah.
I'm in a public server.
Hey.
All I did was press B.
I got $25,000 from all that.
Yo, I got $30,790.
Of course, cause you.
Trevor's not sleeping in a dumpster.
I got a bounty.
Jake, invite me.
I have a bounty. Don't kill me, okay?
Just invite me.
It's 1,000, so.
Before people kill me, cause I have a lot of money.
Jake, are you sure you're alone?
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Oh my god, I got so much money from that race. Now I have $54,628.
Jake,
What?
that's not a lot.
Dude, well, I don't care. I got
To you, that's a lot.
kind of a lot, so I really don't care. I got a little bit of money. There you go.
I'm back, everybody.
AJ was in like a rage mood just like 5 minutes ago. Now he's in a good mood. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Okay, I got 25,000 from that.
I got 25,000.
AJ,
What?
go to the airport and get a cargo box. Remember?
Alright, I will.
We're gonna do that thing. Remember my tow truck?
Yeah.
Jake, just get in a regular car.
Bro, guys, we have to
house.
show you this. It's gonna be awesome, audience.
But AJ, don't pick up Jake until we're done. Or don't pick up me and Jake until we're like almost done.
Okay.
Like when we're underground, then you can pull us up. Or when Jake's underground, I'm sorry. Alright, Jake, come to my garage. I gotta show you something.
No, it's my garage too.
Oh, well, exit and then buzz into my garage. I gotta show you something.
Alright, I pretty much have a BMX bike right now. So I was going on.
I'll show you Trevor's truck, and then we'll get in my tow truck, and then you're gonna go find him again. No, you don't have to. Jake, just calm down and just get in the car. Hurry up, buzz in. Hurry up.
I'm not even there yet.
Hurry up.
I want to be a next bike. Calm down.
Hurry up. You gotta admit, Bayonet's gaming is pretty fun.
It is.
Anytime, Jake.
I want to be a next bike. Calm down. I just want to put my BMX bike in my garage.
Are you at your garage yet?
It's the same one as your garage.
Mini Cooper.
Oh my.
No, I'm not even gonna bug you in my garage. I'll show you later. I'm just gonna get my food in the garage.
Did I just get a
Alright, so guys, we're gonna show you, we're gonna try something.
cart? Guys, don't kill me because I have
Jake, is this $1,000?
I have $36,000 now.
Sorry, black guy. I got bought through the car. Great, I got caught, man. You kidding me? This is a Simeon car? This car's Simeon one?
That's what I hate about this.
Go away.
Every vehicle's like a Simeon
Mini
vehicle.
Cooper! I'm gonna tell you, come back.
Whee! Alright, I got a cargo, Bob.
I want to. Wait, do you get money if you get Simeon a car?
Why aren't my hydraulics working right?
Guys, do you get money if you get
Hey,
Simeon
Jake's
a
bike.
car?
Yes. Why aren't my freaking hydraulics working right? Why, it won't lift up the car all the way. I'm going to Los Angeles Customs to see what I can do.
Is everybody ready?
Meet me at the Los Angeles Customs.
Oh, it's like a sports car. Oh, AJ, I'm just getting the call from where he's saying my boss tried to show up with really angry.
Huh. Let's land, everybody. Whee! I'm sorry for that boring. Alright. Guys, are you ready?
Yeah, Jake, are you at the Los Angeles Customs?
Yeah. No, I just gotta
We call this the ultimate towing system. Here we go.
Alright, Jake, stay right there. Jake!
No, I gotta get this to Simeon first.
Oh my god, okay, fine, be a little D.
Jake, don't. Oh, come.
Come on,
Oh my god, Jake, you got $50,000, you're fine. Holy crap, AJ.
I'm here.
Alright, I'm gonna help Jake up.
Ow!
Jake, get
No,
behind.
no.
Holy crap. Jake, get behind. Got Jake.
wait.
You got Jake?
No, I'm just gonna tell you. Wherever.
Wait, what about me?
Alright, AJ, come on. Pick me up.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna get in the intersection.
Good idea, because I was starting to lose
Alright,
focus.
catch me. If you can.
Alright, I need to have full focus. It's too low.
Yep.
Oh,
Ah!
what the hell?
Come on, you almost got it. Left.
I kind of see
Come
that.
on. Come on.
Wait, what? No, stop it! Hey, bitch.
Come on.
That guy was a douche.
I know, it's very hard. Come on, back up, back.
Wait, what? Oh, I was too
Back.
forward.
Right,
Please don't.
right. Forward. Come on.
No!
Oh
Oh my God.
I'm on a car!
Go away!
Let's go over here, AJ.
A stupid car got in my way. Wait, did I get you? No.
Come on! Okay, go!
What?
Wait, where do I go?
It detached.
Come on, one more time.
I got you.
Alright, go. Pull up.
It doesn't work. It deattaches. Oh, I thought I could take you guys on the ride of your lives. Jake, are you okay?
Yeah.
He's on the ride of his
What do you
life.
gotta do, dude? Jump? You have to do jump.
AJ just sit in the car with Jake so people get a full point of view.
Yeah. Wait up.
Alright, they're gonna pull over.
Okay.
Holy
Holy crap! I blew him up. I just blew that guy up. Poor guy. Is he okay? Oh my god! Wait up!
Alright, get in the car with Jake.
Oh my god, that was delicious. Hey guys.
Somebody have cops?
No.
Jake, are you hitting the brake or something?
Yes.
Why? I can't spin you around.
I just opened fire and I'm
Oh, right now I'm hitting gas.
Don't hit anything. I can't spin you around. Very fun.
I'm in first person view. Oh my god.
Okay, let's go find a jump.
How do you, alright.
Guys, if anybody's still watching, is this funny? I bet it is.
Backing up, going forward.
Backing up.
Move it!
Bitch. Stupid person.
No!
Wait, what?
Come on! Jake!
How did that happen?
Come on, Jake, let's back up.
Jake, where are you going?
I know.
Why can't I be the one driving the tow car?
So am I.
Tow truck.
And besides, you're a Sunday driver. I don't think that's a good idea.
That is a good idea. Who's
Mark?
the one destroying the cars right now?
Jake, look at
Maybe
me.
because I'm driving like an a-hole.
Jake, do you see what I'm doing?
Are you serious?
Wait, you're seeing me too?
Yes!
Wait.
Off back there.
It's
I
like,
find some jumps.
it's okay. It's just some milk. There's some weird type of milk all over the window.
AJ.
Oh, there's nothing there. Are you serious? The clown horn.
Oh, people!
What do you know? Okay, my sister's asleep. She got knocked out by like medicine.
We didn't know how to go to church today. It was funny. We should go up to Mount Chiliad.
You know what?
Yeah.
You know what they failed on in this SpongeBob episode that Lydia's watching? What they failed is on SpongeBob's in Sandy's tree dome, but he doesn't have a helmet on, and he's not like. That's something they screwed up on.
Swing, you hunk of crap. There you go. Come on. Swing.
This is making me horny. I better masturbate. What?
Oh my god. This thing's slow.
This ain't making up. No, I'm joking.
Yeah, I know. I know where a jump is, though.
Are we gonna fly? I like flying.
This thing is so slow.
Somebody said that. No.
Wait, so once the cable is like really long, I'm
Some
allowed
ace
to
was
drive
talking about
and do
that.
anything I want.
I guess. I don't know. We have to hit some jumps and stuff, and there's like no jumps in Los Angeles, so I know where one is that's right near us.
That was a weird text somebody
Come on,
just
you have
sent me.
turbo. Go.
That was a weird text somebody sent me. Why can't I
Are you
drive?
serious? An SUV? It's spun out.
AJ!
AJ,
You
ruined it. No.
You're an idiot.
Time to
Oh.
drive, Jake.
AJ, now I gotta lose the top.
Just hook up to Seth and they won't notice.
Hurry up, reattach.
You're such an idiot.
Reattach. You know how to
Jake,
drive?
do you know what the word reattach means?
AJ, shut up. You're the one that got us caught.
Are you serious?
And you're the one who just detached from us again.
I didn't. Seth,
Okay, this is fine. Oh my god!
don't be there, shoot them.
Okay, screw my life. Oh! Ooh, swimming pool!
That's it.
I'm going.
Backing up.
I'm swimming right now.
Jake.
Oh, swimming! Guys, I'm living it right now. I'm swimming in a pool.
Alright,
This
Jake,
is.
reattach with that thing.
I was a shirtless guy.
Guys, you should come swimming in my swimming pool.
No.
Hey, Jake got a new car.
Wait, I want that one. I want that one. I was sure I have a fight.
Jake, it's gone.
I'll turn vertical.
Who else wants to come swimming with?
Right there.
Who wants to come swimming?
AJ.
Who wants to come swimming?
AJ, or Jake, I found that one car you're looking for. It's a different color.
Oh.
Jake, I'll block up the street. Go, I'll block it off.
What's going on up there? What's going on? There's a freaking shootout going on here.
Go, go, go.
Oh my god! Ow! No!
Attach. Come on.
I'm trying to.
You suck.
I gotta follow you guys.
Oh my god, Jake. Back up. Okay, I got you.
Oh my god!
I got
No!
you. Oh my god.
Shit. Damn
The
it.
cable got long. The cable got longer. Look at it.
You guys got... Guys, help me! I gotta...
Attach, Jake.
Jake,
reattach.
AJ, don't be
Reattach.
that.
Ah! Cops, go
I
away!
got Jake. Come on, Jake, reattach.
AJ, stop.
Come on, reattach.
AJ, you got me come up. Thanks a lot.
Oops.
You got me.
Wait up! Oh my... Cops, go away! I just shot a cop, and you guys are all mad at me.
Oh, go, Jake. Hurry up, try to reattach.
Be
try to
free.
Reattach. Hurry up.
Ah!
You know how to drive?
AJ.
I'm trying to kill the cops!
Serious?
Because I'm recording. Go!
Thank you. You got freaking helicopter on.
Alright, I need to attach.